Welcome to the Aerospace Harness Engineering. Aerospace Harness Engineering focuses on precision, reliability, and compliance in wire harness manufacturing. This platform provides knowledge on connectors, crimping tools, and assembly techniques used in aerospace and defense systems, helping understand standards, tooling, and real-world applications. Connector overview. This is the D3899920WD19SN, a MIL-DTL-38999 Series III wall mount receptacle. It features 19 size 20 socket contacts, shell size D or 15, and is designed for hull reliability aerospace and defense applications with IP67 environmental sealing. Part number decoder. Let's break down the part number. D38999 is the MIL specification. /20 indicates a wall mount receptacle. W is olive drab cadmium finish. D is shell size 15. 19 is the contact layout. S means socket contacts, and N is normal keying. This connector is manufactured as part of the MIL-DTL-38999 Series III family. It is a wall-mounted receptacle with 19 socket contacts, supporting size 20 crimp wires, typically used in avionics and military systems. Connector full technical specifications. This connector uses gold-plated copper alloy contacts and an aluminum shell with cadmium plating. It provides full EMI shielding and IP67 sealing, ensuring protection against harsh environmental conditions. Electrical and mechanical performance. Each contact supports around 5 amps, depending on wire size. It operates up to 1800 volts and withstands temperatures from -65 to +175 degrees Celsius. It also performs reliably under vibration, shock, and extreme aerospace conditions. Contact details. The contact used is M39029/56-351, a size 20 crimp socket. It supports wire sizes from 20 to 24 AWG and requires a strip length of about 4.77 millimeters. Proper crimping ensures low resistance and reliable signal transmission. Materials. The assembly requires key components, including the connector, contacts, sealing plugs, crimp tools, insertion tools, and retention tools. Crimp tooling. Use the AF8 crimp tool with M22520/1-04 red positioner. This ensures precise 8 indent crimping for size 20 contacts with consistent quality and repeatability. Installation tools. Use M81969 insertion tools and plastic extraction tools to safely handle contacts. HD210 retention tools ensure proper locking, and sealing plugs must be used for unused cavities. Assembly procedure. Start by stripping the wire to the correct length. Insert the wire into the contact and perform a full crimp cycle. Then insert contacts into the connector. Verify locking with a pullback test and retention test. Seal unused cavities and complete final assembly. The W finish provides good corrosion resistance and is widely used in military aircraft, defense electronics, and industrial systems where reliability is critical. This connector provides high reliability, strong environmental sealing, and excellent electrical performance. Always follow proper tooling and procedures to ensure a safe and compliant assembly. Disclaimer. Disclaimer clarifies that the information is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for official documentation or certified procedures. Always follow approved aerospace standards and manufacturer guidelines. Thanks for watching. Encourages viewers to like, share, and subscribe for more aerospace tooling content, helping build a knowledge-sharing community around wire harness engineering.